Hey guys, welcome back to Heavy Duty Life. Well, you know, I told you I'm gonna bring you a video back with me pouring the gravel. So this is the video. So we get everything like completely to where we want it, and we're gonna be putting in the gravel today. See my boy Jimmy?
Yeah, man, Jimmy, you know, right.
Jimmy told me I didn't put him in the video, so I put him in the video today.
Good job, you know?
Yeah, so Jimmy get the place well and prepared. This is the finish level for the quarry. We get the guys putting in the drainage, going to the swale, and the gravel is about to come now, and we're gonna start spreading it, bring it up to the height of this here. Yeah, so we're gonna do just this driveway today, and I gotta dig this swale out, so we're not gonna do this at the top here as yet. So bit by bit, steps by steps. We get a truck coming now. All right, hope you enjoy the video. Let's get into it. What? Forward! Oh! 1 year! Alright guys, so we got the gravel here. Time to spread. So today we're gonna use the 277 and spread the gravel. Truck just bring the gravel. We get the 277B today because the 289C have a problem. So get the gravel here, and we're gonna spread in it 3 inches across everything. So yeah, you're gonna see me working old school today. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget like, subscribe, and drop your comments, and hope you enjoy it. Let's Yeah guys, so we're bringing the gravel and it's just about where we want it for most places. It's not the pretty finishes yet, it's just the rough finish right now. We gotta put some in there, but the guys get some pipes to attach in here, and the wall have to get some more dry bit. So I can't do nothing in that corner there again for now. So I gotta wait, let the guys wrap that up, wrap up these pipes, and then I could, as you can see, I put the layer, I make it really thick up this side. So after we're ready, I'm gonna finish it up. So guys, that's it for now. Thanks for liking this video, thanks for subscribing. You know, yeah, just smash that like button, leave your comments in the comment sections. If there is anything you want to see on this channel, just let me know in the comment section. If you see anything that I could have done better, just let me know in the comment section as well. Ask your questions there. And yeah, thanks for watching guys. Thanks for supporting the channel. Check in the link description, check in the description for links to my other videos on the channel. Yeah, so thanks for supporting the channel. Thanks a lot. Until the next one.